How to keep photos private in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now move to the library which is present at the bottom. Click on it. You can see here this type of screen will appear. Now you have to move to the utilities here. Click on the utilities. Scroll this bar and at the bottom you can see here locked folder. Click on it. Use your pin or your Now you can see here at the bottom there is an option of plus. Click on it. Select any video from your gallery which you want to keep it private. Click on the move here which is present at the right top corner. Now click on move. In this way, click on the allow. Video will be moving to your locked screen. In this way you can keep photos private in Google account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good